So you have number 2, or you have silver, no? Silver, 47, number 9, and then 53, no? So for some of you, these are your possible lucky numbers for this week, no? Mga Virgo natin, 2, 47, 9, and 53, no? So if you see these numbers repeatedly, no, this week is may marireceive kayong good news, something like that, or kung ano man yung mga ini-expect ninyo, no, suddenly bigla na lang din yung makukuha or ma-achieve nyo to, no, kung ano man ito. And with the color silver, no, your lucky color this week, silver. For some of you, if you are applying for a job, no, maybe kung may silver kayong jewelry, pwede nyo suotin, no, habang you are having job interview, no, mga Virgo natin. Basta you have faith, no, yun ang mahalaga. Yung faith mo yung sa sarili mo, no, hindi dahil sa color. Faith mo, these are only, sabi natin, motivation for you, no. Kasi minsan, di ba, tama naman, di ba, we people, no, need motivations in life, right? No, so kung may magmo-motivate sa inyo, mas gaganahan kayo, di ba? So maybe this color silver will motivate your energy, no, to pursue, no, something like that, no, mga Virgo natin. So if for some of you will have this job interview this week, no, wear some silver, no, para mas ma-motivate, mas mag-boost ng confidence ninyo, mag-answer ng interview, 'di ba? Mga Virgo natin. Or if sa business, no, yun, mag-suot kayo kapag nasa loob kayo ng inyong place, no, business, sabi na, kung negosyo, nasa loob kayo ng inyong negosyo, no, wear some silver, no, mga Virgo natin within this week to boost your sales, no, mga Virgo. Again, basta may faith kayo, no, these are only motivation for you, no, mga Virgo natin. So let's see what's the self-care advice for you ng iyong inner self this week, mga Virgo natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you. For Virgo. Let's see. For Virgo.
Wow! Daddy!
So you have this focus, no? So you have to focus, no, sa iyong goal, no? Sinasabi ng iyong inner self.